Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Buddha's amazing journey through time and uncovering the lessons we can learn from it. In this video, you'll embark on an incredible journey through time to explore the life and teachings of Buddha, a figure whose wisdom transcends generations. Despite the widespread influence of Buddhism, many people are unaware of the key events and teachings that shaped Buddha's life. In fact, some may only know Buddha as a statue or an image, without fully grasping the profound impact of his message on millions of individuals across the globe. What's more, the core principles of Buddhism, such as the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, remain shrouded in mystery for many. It's time to change that and delve into the remarkable story of this extraordinary individual. By examining the pivotal moments in Buddha's life, we can gain a deeper understanding of his teachings and how they continue to resonate with people from all walks of life. So, let's begin our fascinating journey into the world of Buddha. One of the biggest misconceptions about Buddha's life is that he was born into a life of luxury and privilege, with no knowledge of suffering or hardship. However, the truth is that Siddhartha Gautama, as he was known before becoming the Buddha, was deeply troubled by the suffering he witnessed around him. As the son of a wealthy ruler, he was initially sheltered from the harsh realities of life, but as he ventured out into the world, he was confronted with sights that would change him forever: the sick, the old, and the dying. These experiences sparked a profound sense of empathy and compassion within him, setting him on a path to discover a solution to this universal suffering. As Buddha began to question the causes of suffering, he renounced his royal life and embarked on a quest for enlightenment. He spent 6 years studying under various teachers, practicing intense meditation and austerities, but still, he found no answers. Undeterred, he continued his search, eventually discovering the middle way, a path that balanced the extremes of indulgence and asceticism. This breakthrough led him to sit under the Bodhi tree, where he would finally attain the enlightenment that would change the course of human history. You will delve into Buddha's early life, his quest for enlightenment, and how his teachings evolved into a major world religion. From his early years as a privileged prince to his later years as a wise and compassionate teacher, Buddha's journey is a testament to the human capacity for growth, self-discovery, and transformation. As we explore his life, we'll uncover the rich tapestry of his teachings, which continue to inspire millions around the world. Buddha's journey was marked by twists and turns, triumphs and setbacks, but ultimately, it was his unwavering commitment to understanding the nature of suffering that led him to his groundbreaking insights. Under the Bodhi tree, he realized that suffering arises from craving and ignorance, and that it can be overcome through the Eightfold Path. This moment of enlightenment marked a turning point in human history, as Buddha's message began to spread, offering hope and liberation to countless individuals. As Buddha sat under the Bodhi tree, he gazed up at the morning star and exclaimed, "I have seen the truth." In that instant, he piercingly understood the nature of reality, and his teachings were forever changed. The Four Noble Truths, which form the core of Buddhist doctrine, were born from this profound insight. With these truths, Buddha offered a radical new perspective on the human condition, one that emphasized the potential for liberation and the cultivation of wisdom. The enlightenment of Buddha under the Bodhi tree symbolizes the triumph of human spirit over ignorance and suffering. It reminds us that, no matter how entrenched our habits or conditioned our thinking, we have the capacity to awaken to a deeper reality. As we reflect on Buddha's journey, we're invited to explore our own relationship with suffering and to consider the ways in which we might apply his timeless wisdom in our daily lives. Summarize how Buddha's journey and teachings continue to impact millions today, emphasizing the relevance of his insights in modern life. Buddha's incredible journey through time has left an indelible mark on human history, inspiring generations to cultivate compassion, mindfulness, and wisdom. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on Buddha's teachings in the comments and check out your other videos on spiritual journeys. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure through time. Don't forget to share your thoughts on Buddha's teachings in the comments below, and if you're interested in exploring more spiritual journeys, be sure to check out my other videos.